वेलकम टू अभियान किचन अगेन। आई एम शीतल। आपका मैं स्वागत करती हूँ अभियान की किचन में। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं चॉकलेट ब्राउनी। इजीएस्ट इज अ एग फ्री रेसिपी, इजीएस्ट रेसिपी and it is too good. You should please try it and let me know. So let's start. So first I have taken, so let's go through ingredient. First I have taken condensed milk 200 grams, condensed milk, 50 grams of dark chocolate and 75 grams of milk chocolate, 1/4 teaspoon of baking salt, baking powder, 20 grams of powdered sugar. I am taking here Khandahari sugar, which is quite fine, so I am okay. But if you are taking regular sugar, please grind it. 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, 50 grams of melted butter, 50 grams of atta, pinch of salt, and 18 grams of cocoa powder, 120 grams of hot water. So I am using this one, this Regal chocolates, 70% dark chocolate for my brownie, and this one is white chocolate, milk chocolate. Can you see? This milk chocolate I am using for my brownie. Mixture of both of this chocolate. So this is how we melt our chocolate in double boiler. I am melting my chocolate. I have taken a water in saucepan and put little bit water, not much water, and I have cutted my chocolates. Milk chocolate, this is the milk chocolate, and this is the dark chocolate. I have cutted them in small cubes, and now I'll melt this chocolate like this. Continuously we have to stir it like this. See, now my chocolate is almost there. Should not be able to see any lumps. See, it's very smooth, right? Now we will take it off the fire and let it cool. So I have lined my pan with parchment paper, so it will be easy for us to take it out after baking. So here I have taken a normal butter biscuit, which I have grinded in the mixer jar. That's it. We don't need to add anything like oil, butter or sugar. No, just take any butter biscuit and grind them. After that we will make base of it. We will make base out of it. So हमें ज़्यादा मोटा बेस नहीं चाहिए, बेस पतला ही होना चाहिए. So I would say for this recipe I will use almost 75 grams of grounded butter biscuit. Okay, so done. Now let's start baking. This is 200 grams of milk made. Now I am adding my melted chocolate. And please use always nice chocolate, very good quality chocolate. After mixing it with milk made, we will add sugar and cocoa powder. Isn't it looking yum? Yes. Now we will add our flour and salt. Now this is my hot water. I'll add coffee. Water should be hot. Otherwise, if water won't be hot, what will happen is coffee का flavor पूरा आएगा नहीं बाहर. you know, and this coffee brings whole recipe together. So just mix it. See, just mix it. Now we will add it in our cake. My butter, now mix it nicely. See, this is very lump free batter. Yeah, this batter should be this kind of consistency only. See, it's very thin, not like a cake batter. Now we will pour this mixture over our cookie base. It goes. This is how we will now it will go in the oven at preheated oven 170 degrees Celsius. Please preheat your oven for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and then it will go for baking inside the oven. Almost for, if you are using convection, it will take lesser time, maybe 40 minutes or so. But if you are using your OTG, then it will take maybe another 10 minutes extra, 50 to 55 minutes. Okay, so please keep checking your brownie after 35 minutes. Now we will bake it for almost, I am using convection, so I think 40 minutes should be fine. So my brownies are ready. It took 35 minutes in my convection oven. So I think it's in OTG, it will take around 45 to 50 minutes. And let's see how is it from inside. I always use shredded knife to cut my big items. See, can you see the fudge from inside, how fudgy it is? And they are so fudgy. So always keep it in mind, we should let it rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes before cutting. So when you just check, maybe you might see that your brownies are from inside when they're baking, they will be a little bit wiggly, but from outside, edges of the brownie will get set. Okay, when you see like brownies के sides एकदम set हो गया, बीच में से wiggly, it is completely fine. Okay, bring it out of the oven and let it rest for an hour or so. पूरा brownie set हो जाएगा. Okay, we haven't used much flour, so it won't take much time to get set. And then cut it and enjoy it. And you can use your favorite toppings like walnuts, pecans. It's all up to you what kind of toppings you want to use. You can put in the batter itself, nuts, or you can spread it all over on top of the brownie. It's all your choice. I like my brownie this way, plain. That's why I made without nuts. So it's all up to you. Okay, again. Please make sure that you preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 5 to 10 minutes. These are the small things we should always keep it in our mind. So please do try this recipe and let me know. Thank you.